Hey you guys, I'm gonna show you a little hack today. If you live in an area like I do where we have like real, what they call hard water, you know, water has the chemicals in it or whatever, and it leaves a stain like that, like especially on stainless steel. If you can see like the hard water stains right there. So I'm gonna give you a hack to do. Basically, all you're gonna need is some apple cider vinegar. You guys get some apple cider vinegar. I use this for a lot of different things. Definitely check out all my videos, but you get some apple cider vinegar and a cotton cloth. So what you want to do is, let me see if I can do it. I'm using one hand here. So you take your apple cider vinegar and you put it all over your rag here, like so. You get that there, and then what you want to do is you start rubbing the apple cider vinegar over all the areas. You rub the apple cider vinegar over all the areas that you have the hard water stains on, like so. It's gonna be a little strong, but rub the apple cider vinegar over all the areas, like so, even down in there. And what you want to do is you want to let that sit. So do it like that, and then on the hard areas like the sink right here, you might need a brush. You might need a brush. See how to get that. So you might need a brush to kind of scrape that out, but especially around these hard areas, you know, you just wrap this around, let that sit. I gotta see if I get a brush, because I'm gonna need a brush on this area. But let that sit for about 3 hours. Just after you wipe all the surface off, let it sit for about 3 hours. Then we're gonna come back. 3 hours later, you just unwrap that, and as you can see, it's already starting to show some signs that it's shining again, looking a little better, just like that. Look at that. And then next thing you want to do is you want to come over, wipe your rag out, rinse everything down, and you want to finish it up by just getting some Windex or something like that. Shining it down, because I like the what I call put that shine on it. So you can see, put that shine on it. The water stains are gone. Even down in here, and you're set. See how it shine, get rid of the hard water stains. And like I say, you know, you get a little brush. If you got to get these little tight areas right here, get a little brush and get that a little tighter. But for the main part, the apple cider vinegar did the work. So this is just a little quick video to show you how to get hard water stains off sinks, or, you know, bathroom, or your kitchen sink. There you go, just like that. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is your little quick tip. See you on the next one.